In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ISBLANK function in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a complex data set or simply organizing a list, knowing how to check for blank cells can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive into it. First, let's start by opening a Google Sheet. You can do this by going to Google Drive and selecting New, then Google Sheets. Once you've opened your sheet, it's important to have a data set to work with, even if it's just a few columns and rows filled with data and some blank cells scattered around. For this demonstration, let's imagine that you have a simple list in column A, and you want to check which cells are empty. Now click on the cell B2. This is going to be the first cell where you apply your ISBLANK function. Why B2? Well, in this example, you want to check the status of the cell A2, which resides right next to it. This will help you easily compare the original data with the result of the ISBLANK formula. Next, type in the formula. Cos ISBLANK A2. You type this directly into the B2 cell. As you enter the formula, you might notice suggestions popping up. Google Sheets tries to assist you by predicting the function or cell reference you might want to use. This is a great feature, especially if you're familiarizing yourself with the different functions available in Sheets. Once you've finished typing the formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. Now, what you see is either a true or false output in cell B2. If the cell A2 is empty, the function will return true, indicating that the cell is indeed blank. If there is any content at all, whether it's a character, number, or space, the function will return false. With the initial formula set up, you might want to apply it to the rest of your data in column A without typing the formula repeatedly. This is where autofill comes in handy. Click on the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell B2 and drag it down to cover the range you want to examine. Google Sheets will automatically fill in the formula for the additional cells and adjust the cell references accordingly. And there you have it, a column filled with true or false values corresponding to whether each adjacent cell in column A is blank. This is a powerful way to ensure data completeness or simply organize your information more effectively. That wraps up our tutorial on using the ISBLANK function in Google Sheets. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and analyze your data without the need for complex manual checks. Thanks for joining me, and happy spreadsheeting.